I made this delicious snack for my family and I thought to share with you. Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you I made this delicious snack for my family. Now you'll be needing some flour and then you need 4 eggs. I've already boiled my eggs already. Then I have a teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. I have here with me some unsalted butter, which is room temperature. Then I have some nutmeg, cinnamon powder and turmeric powder for color. In my mixing bowl, I am going to then go ahead to pour in my flour. I'm using self-rising flour. Then I'll go in with the turmeric, the cinnamon, and then the nutmeg and the sugar and the salt at the same time. Stir on that until it mixes together. Then I will go in with my unsalted butter. Now, if you don't eat salt, this is perfect because unsalted butter does not have salt, obviously. So you can use that. I'm going to mix until I get a crumpy texture. Use my 2 hands because when I was mixing with one I got tired, so I had to use 2 hands. Once I got that crumpy texture, I went ahead to add water. Now you want to add in the water bit by bit because the butter is a lot already, so you don't want it to be too soft. Once I get this dough like that, I'm going to cover it and just let it sit for some minutes while I peel off the egg. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I do not take that for granted. I really appreciate you. God bless you all. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Now, once I was done peeling the egg, I went ahead to bring my dough and then cut them into the size that I wanted and then began to roll it out. Once I'm done, I will bring in my egg and then just put it in. I will take my time to show you how I made this because if you do not mix this well or pull it well, you might end up with a wrong size or the wrong filling. Okay, so I gently pulled it from side to side. Remember, don't over knead your dough. Then I use my hand to press it down just like you would do with meat pie. Then cut it open and then you have to open the egg as well, just a little bit so that the air will go through and then it will not burst. Okay, once I'm done, I'll use a fork and just give it that meat pie kind of stripe, that is to help it to cover well. But if you're okay with the way you pressed with your hand, then just leave it. Now I am going to do that and start to set them aside. Once I'm done doing all of them, I will start layering it in the baking tray. Just this one is just 4, so it won't take much time. I will set that one aside first, then I will do the next one because we want to bake them together. Now cut it the same way I did the other one. Then I will roll this one out. At this time now I'm going to be using cheese and we'll just make something like a triangle. Once you're done adding your cheese, fold it the way you see me folding. Press it down very well. You don't want it to burst open while you're baking. Then fold it again and again. Then you're going to press until you seal the top of it. Let the cheese be under. A bit of it might come out, but that is fine. Make sure you seal it and repeat the same process like you saw me like doing before with the other one. And then open it up so that it will cook through just this way. Once you're done, put it in the baking sheet and then straight away into your oven. Now start baking at 150 degrees. Then when it's almost done, you can turn it to 200 so that it will brown up a bit. Now I am done and this is what we have. Look at how well this baked. They are looking so good. So good. Look at this, it came out so good. And this here you see like the egg that we opened up a bit is so good. Now I opened the cheesy one and look at how cheesy it is. It baked through very well and my kids enjoyed it. They loved it so much. I also enjoyed it actually with some tea. And this one you will have to use knife to cut it. Look at that, it baked through properly. I want to say it bent. You use knife to cut it so that the egg too, because obviously you can't press egg open with your hand unless you have a superpower. Look at that, it is all done and looking so tasty. And that was how I made this delicious snack for my family. You can sell this as well. I don't know how much you will charge, but yeah, calculate your egg and everything, sell it, and then make your profit. Thank you so much. With this, we've come to the end of today's video, and I'll see you all in my next video. But until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.